Hello and welcome to the second part of the library database series. In this part, we'll be discussing how to connect to the databases if you're off campus. So first, let's start on the library database page. Remember that this is a list of our most popular databases. If you're connecting to the databases while off campus, you'll have to use the off-campus link. So for now, we're just going to click on the very first link here, which is Academic Search. This brings us to the Ohio Link authentication form. In the first box, you're going to want to type your last name, space, first name, no commas or extra spaces. And then in the second box, you're going to want to type your library barcode. This is 1973 plus your 7-digit student ID number. So this will include the 0 at the beginning. If you're not sure what your student ID number is, you can find it in My ESCC or in Blackboard. If you still have the older 14-digit barcode, that will work as well. You should now have access to the library databases. Remember that some databases may authenticate differently, so while you may have had to put your name and your barcode for this particular one, others may just require your barcode. Now that we know how to authenticate if we're off campus, in the next video we'll discuss how to actually use Academic Search Completes.